Hi guys, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for joining me again. And if this is your first time here, my name is Buki Bello, and on this platform we talk about everything personal development, and we also share opportunities for growth. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, click the subscription button showing right now on your screen so you don't get to miss any other episodes. So today we'll be talking about something very interesting and very important. I'll be sharing ways to make money in Nigeria online without actually paying anything, without investing anything too much. So that's what we'll be discussing today. Stick around. Because of the worsening economic situation in our country, people are finding it difficult to, feed their families. People are finding it difficult to make ends meet, and it's becoming just very challenging to live in the country. But then the interesting thing is that there are a whole lot of ways that you can still make money online or, digitally in Nigeria right now, even physically. There are a whole lot of ways you can make money, even as a student or self-employed, or even if you have a salary paid job, you could still make money by the side without investing much, with little or no investment at all. And I'm going to be sharing those opportunities for you today. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is making money by banking with V. Now, V is by VFD. One of the digital platforms of one of the microfinance banks in Nigeria, and that microfinance bank is owned by Wema Bank. So this is something that Wema Bank has put their strength behind. So V by VFD is a digital banking app whereby you can earn money monthly by depositing as little as 2,000 naira, 2k money for taking soft drink for 2 days or so. So you could save that amount of money in this app, and then earn money. You could earn as little as 30k per month if you're able to now refer some other people, probably your schoolmates or friends, to also open this app, create a profile and drop a token of 2,000 naira, and then they also are able to earn monthly from it. 30k is the least you could earn if you are able to bring a number of referrals, and if you are even able to bring more than that minimal number of referrals, you could even earn much more than 30k. So this app is a good way by which many people are trying, telling people about it, bringing referrals and earning something at the side every month, right? Then another way you could also make money online is through a website called Transcribe Me. By transcribing doing transcription jobs online. So this website called Transcribe Me has a collection of a whole lot of transcription jobs that you could do. Basically no experience is required for most of these jobs. You just try and do this job online. You go to the website, you search for if there are jobs for you to do. You first of all create a profile, your experiences and all that, but you don't really need any much working experience to be able to do this transcription job. And you could be paid from $15 to $20 or even more on some jobs that you get to do, right, in a couple of hours. So these are some ways you could make money by the side, especially if you're a student and you can make use of your time to make money these ways, instead of just whiling away time on social media and doing other things that will not really matter at the end of the day. Now, another opportunity to make money online is through cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is just like a digital currency, just like you have your naira, dollar, pounds, euros, and all those currencies. You could also use cryptocurrency to also trade goods, and commodities. But the thing about cryptocurrency is that the prices, fluctuate. The prices fluctuate, so it could be high today and low tomorrow, and a lot of businesses and countries have also accepted Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a means of payment, right? So if you study this cryptocurrency, you make your research and you're able to target a time that the prices are low to buy them. When you now sell when the prices are higher, then you'll be able to make some revenues on your investment, right? And you could invest as little money as that you have in this cryptocurrency. when starting, you don't need to invest so much money. You don't need to invest all your savings. Just start with little money and see how it plays out. But a lot of people are, cashing out from investing in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and some other cryptocurrencies, and they're making their money from it. So this is also a good idea that you may want to explore. So you can also make money online in Nigeria without paying anything through paid survey websites. So there are some top brands and businesses that are looking for feedback on their products and services from potential customers, and they put out surveys for people like you and I to fill, so that they could get feedback on their products, right? So there are dedicated websites for these surveys whereby you can go and fill those surveys and then get paid by those companies for imputing your feedback and your reviews on those certain products and services. All right, so this is a very easy way to make money online in Nigeria, especially if you're a student and you could use the time that you use on doing some other stuff to fill these forms and get paid. If you successfully fill some surveys, you're going to be paid, for some $10, some $5, and then apart from filling surveys, you could also do additional things like testing some products, some websites, and application to give feedback about your review of those products. So this is a very good way to make money online in Nigeria, although what they pay is a token compared to some other ways of making money. But if you're able to combine a few paid survey websites together and successfully fill those surveys, then it will amount to something for you. So the thing is that not all of these survey websites apply to Nigerian users. You may not be able to fill all of these surveys from all of the websites, but there are some that are applicable to Nigerians, and you can fill them from Nigeria here and get paid fast. And so I've listed some of these survey websites on an article that I wrote, and so I'm going to put a link in this video description where you can find those websites that are already known to allow Nigerian users and pay Nigerian users easily. So again, another way to make money online in Nigeria is through video game review. Do you know that you could make money from playing video games, sort of testing video games, and giving the makers feedback? So there are websites whereby you could get these sort of jobs and make money from it. I'm also going to post a link to the description in this video whereby you could find some of this website that I'm talking about, right? So those are some of the ways you could make money in Nigeria as a student. So those are some of the opportunities you may want to explore if you're looking for ways to make extra income to what you're presently making. I'm going to still list some more other opportunities to make money online with little or no investment in a subsequent video, so watch out for that. And again, I'm going to post a link to an article that I wrote whereby you can find more other ways of making money online in Nigeria without paying anything and easily from the comfort of your home. So for now, this is where I'm going to end the video for today. Thank you very much for joining me again. If you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscription button showing right now on your screen. Subscribe so that you get to see my beautiful face again. And thank you. See you again.